Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? Can you remember? We had already learned about the minerals copper and gold. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Name some minerals found on the earth. Good. Copper, gold, silver. Name the minerals that are conductors of electricity. Copper and gold. Which metal is used in making jewels? Good. Gold is used in making jewels. When we rub soil or sand with magnet, we find some particles of soil or sand remains attached to it. What are they? They are iron particles. Today we are going to learn about another mineral, iron. Iron is almost never found in its pure form in nature. Instead, it is found in the form of iron ores. Ores are minerals with mixtures of different elements. The primary use of iron ore is in the production of iron. Most of the iron produced is then used to make steel. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. In its pure form, iron is soft and has a greyish color. After combining with other metals, it becomes hard and strong. It rusts very easily. Rust means a reddish brown substance that forms on the surface of iron and steel as a result of reaction with air and water. Now we are going to see the uses of iron. Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Another very useful mineral is bauxite. Bauxite is a rock formed from a reddish clay material. Bauxite is aluminium rich ore that is used for aluminium. All the aluminium produced are extracted from bauxite. Extracted means take out by effort or force. The bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Shevarai Hills of Salem district in Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to see the uses of bauxite. Bauxite is used in aircraft industry, electrical industry, and also used in making machines. Bauxite is used to make paper, purify water, and refine petroleum. Refine means remove impurities. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Cosmetic means substances that you put on your face or your body to improve appearance. Bauxite is aluminium rich ore that is used for aluminium production. That aluminium is used in electronics, construction, vehicles, and even in utensils. Utensils means objects that you use in order to help you cook in your home. Now we are going to learn about the natural resources. Resources means a source of supply. Natural resources are something that are found in nature. Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. Any natural substance that humans use can be considered a natural resource. Oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone, air, sunlight, soil, and water are some of the examples of natural resources. People need some natural resources to stay alive. They use others to make their lives better. Natural resources are usually either renewable resources or non-renewable resources. Renewable means that is replaced naturally. Renewable resources that can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Trees are a good example. If we cut the trees, they can regrow from seeds. Animals are other examples. Baby animals are born and grow up. They replace older animals that die. Non-renewable resources that once consumed cannot be replaced. Fossil fuels are example for non-renewable resources. Oil, natural gas, and coal are collectively called fossil fuels. Fossil fuels form from the decayed remains of plants and animals. They were formed within the earth from dead plants and animals over millions of years. Mineral resources are also an example for non-renewable resources. Minerals used for making metals are non-renewable resources. They can take millions of years to form. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver, and others are called non-renewable resources. They can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. Gold, silver, copper, iron are some of the examples of metallic resources. Sand, marble, clay are some of the examples of non-metallic resources. Coal, crude oil, and natural gas are some of the examples of fossil fuel resources. Children, today we had learned about the minerals, iron and bauxite and natural resources. Now, let us recap the lesson. Recap. Iron ore is mainly used to produce iron. Iron ores are found at Kanchamalai in Tamil Nadu. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Shervarai Hills of Salem district, Tamil Nadu. Natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced are called non-renewable resources. Natural resources are important to us because they satisfy the daily needs. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver, and others are called mineral resources. Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, fossil fuel resources. Children, study with this recap and do the homework. Thank you, children.